Good evening, everyone. It might feel eons away, but eventually, all of our snow is going to melt.
This could cause a messy problem for unprepared homeowners. Basement flooding. WDAY News reporter Nick Broadway asked the experts how a little maintenance now can prevent you from getting an unwanted indoor pool, and some advice on what to do with all the snow piling up around your home.
It's that time of year. Calls about sump pumps are already flooding Moorhead Plumbing and Heating.
We're already getting ramped up.
Ryan Dolan, a master technician, says a common problem for homeowners is a frozen discharge pipe from your sump pump. Homeowners are supposed to disconnect the outdoor hose before winter hits, but that doesn't always happen.
So when it holds the water, it freezes, then unthaws, then freezes, and it just, the pump can't pump anything. It's not going to go anywhere.
Dolan tells me if you're worried about the condition of your actual pump, you can test it out by pulling the float and filling the sump tank with a bucket of water to see if the pump kicks on. The good news? Chances are good old Reliable will get the job done.
Everybody's worried about the rusting and stuff. It's common. It's a cast iron pump. You're in a sump pit with a bunch of water. It's going to rust.
If you're in the market for a pump, he says the supply chain issues have since bounced back, and now is a great time to prepare for the melt.
2020, 2021, we were having issues getting stuff, with the pandemic and everything, but everything's kind of coming around with the sump pumps now.
But you still have time to take them inside and thaw them out. A small advantage to the long winter. Dolan also recommends shoveling out the snow a few feet around your home if you're worried it might melt into your foundation. We still have a lot of snow in the ground, so if you're wondering where to put it all, he recommends the front yard or wherever the snow melt can run off into a drain. Nick Broadway, WDAY News.
Dolan also tells us it's easier to get sump pumps installed now, since for the moment anyway, everything is dry.